Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 18, Python Modules and Packages. A module is a Python file containing functions, variables, or classes. It allows large programs to be broken into smaller manageable parts. You can import the module using the import keyword. You can also import specific items using from module import function. Python includes several built-in modules like math random and datetime that provide useful ready-made functions. A package is a directory containing multiple modules along with an init file. It helps organize related modules together. You can create a custom module by writing code in a py file and importing it into other programs for reuse. This diagram shows how a module is imported, used inside the program, and executed before ending. Here is an example showing how to generate a random number using the random module. When this program runs, it displays a random number based on the given range. This example imports the math module and uses its sqrt function to find the square root of 36. The output of example 1, importing a built-in module, is as follows. 6.0. Here we import only the pi constant and sin function directly from the math module. The output of example 2, importing specific functions, is as follows. 3.141592653589793. 0.0. This example shows how to create a custom module named helper and import it in another file. The output of example 3, creating and importing a custom module, is as follows. Hello from module. This example demonstrates a simple package structure containing multiple Python modules. The output of example 4, using a package structure, is as follows. Package imported successfully. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Import the math module and use it to calculate the square root of a number. Use import math and call the sqrt function with a numeric value. Exercise 2. Import only the randint function from the random module and generate a random number. Use from random import randint and call randint with a suitable range. Exercise 3. Create a custom module with a function that prints a welcome message. Write code in a py file and import the module into another script to call the function. Exercise 4. Build a simple package with 2 modules and import them in a Python script. Create a folder with an init file and place multiple Python files inside it before importing them. Exercise 5. Use the datetime module to print the current date and time. Import datetime and call datetime, datetime.now, to display the complete timestamp. Thank you for watching episode 18. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.